What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you an amazing gambling card trick. Let's do it. Now let's say a card cheat is playing a game that he wants to win, so he has to stack the deck in his favor. Now let's say he's playing a card game with 4 other people and himself being the dealer. Since the dealer is dealt to last, he wants to control his ace of spades, his favorite card, to the 4th position so he can deal it to himself. And now this is how he'd go about doing it. So we'd start off doing 3 riffle shuffles. Right, in the first riffle shuffle, we riffle 1 card on top of the ace of spades. We push this together, controlling that ace of spades to the 2nd position. Repeating this 2 more times would bring it to the 3rd and then 4th position. Right, and of course this wouldn't happen with the ace of spades face up, and we wouldn't be riffling that slow. So let me pick things up just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, pick things up. So that's the 3rd position, and we'll go. There we go. That is the 4th position. Now getting it to the 4th position is easy. The difficult part is getting it back on top. So check this out. 1, 2, 3. And we'll see that the ace of spades came right back on top. And there you have it, a gambler that's also a magician. If you guys want to check out the tutorial, the link to that will be in the description. And if you want to check out more tricks like this, make sure to go check out that video right there, because it's almost the same thing. I'll see you there. Peace out.